torque acting on a dipole in uniform electric field. Torque acting on a dipole in uniform electric field. One of the most important questions. Right? Come on. This is an electric field represented with straight lines. What does it mean? If any electric field is represented with parallel lines equally spacing, this is a uniform electric field. This uniform electric field of intensity E. In this electric field, a dipole is hanged, right? See, a dipole. This is negative charge. This is positive charge. A dipole is hanged in uniform electric field. This is negative charge, minus Q. This is positive charge, plus Q. And separated by a distance, 2a. So this is a dipole which is hanged in uniform electric field. Then what happens? See, whenever any charge in uniform electric field, the charge experiences a force, right? And we know positive charge experiences the force in the direction of the field. Negative charge experiences the force opposite to the direction of the field. So, what are the forces acting on this charge and this charge? See, this is a positive charge. It experiences the force in the direction of the field. Fe. And this is the negative charge. It experiences the force opposite to the direction of E. Already we studied force experienced by a charged particle in the field. As this is the negative charge, it experiences the force opposite to the direction of the field. Right. Come on, what are the forces acting on? Here, what is given? E. Uniform electric field, right? Q. Magnitude of the charge of dipole. 2a. Length of dipole. P. Dipole moment. What is the formula for this? Q into 2A. We know the formula. Dipole moment is Q into 2A. A dipole hanged in uniform electric field. Uniform electric field. When a dipole hanged in uniform electric field. See, on the positive charge, there is a force acting. On the negative charge, there is a force acting. Force acting on plus Q, Fe. What is the force acting on a charge? We know the formula. EQ, right? Force acting on a charge, Fe, is equal to EQ. And what is the force acting on negative charge? Force acting on minus Q. This is also EQ because its magnitude is Q. Its magnitude is also Q. What is the difference? This force is acting towards right. This force is acting towards left. In the direction of E, opposite to direction of E, right? It acts in the direction of E, it acts opposite to the direction of E, right? These forces I take for my convenience F1, F2. These forces equal opposite, equal, opposite, and non-collinear. Yes, sir. See, its value is EQ. Its value is EQ. Equal. This is in this direction, this is in this direction. Opposite, but not acting along the same line. So we call them as collinear, non-collinear, right? If they act along the same line, if they act like this, they are collinear. But this is here and this is here. They are parallel, but not along the same line. So they are non-collinear. Okay? So forces equal, opposite, and non-collinear. So in first year we studied if two equal, opposite, non-collinear forces act on a body, they produce torque. In first year we studied two equal, opposite, non-collinear forces act on a body, they produce torque, right? So they produce torque. We need the torque is what? Torque formula is what? Force into perpendicular distance. Magnitude of the force into perpendicular distance. What is the force here? EQ. This is okay. Perpendicular distance between the forces, that we need to find. We will see. See, this is a dipole of length 2L, dipole of length 2L, this dipole of length 2A, where those forces are acting. Here one force is acting, here F. Here one force is acting F. Because those two are equal. F. F. Right? And how is the field direction? Field direction is like this. This is field direction. What is the perpendicular distance between the forces? This force line is in this way. This force line is in this way. Perpendicular distance between them is this. This is the perpendicular distance. Right? This line is the perpendicular distance. If you take this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B, and I take this is C, BC is the perpendicular distance between two line of force. This force is along this line. This force is along this line. This is the perpendicular distance, right? How much it is. See, with this field direction, this dipole makes a triangle. Let that angle is anywhere you can take. Let that angle is theta. Okay. So here this angle is theta. It is making an angle theta here. This dipole making an angle theta with the horizontal. So what is its horizontal component? If this length is 2a, its component along this direction is what? 2a cos theta. Along this direction, 2a sin theta. Right? Now we resolve this length into two components, 2a cos theta and 2a sin theta. What is the perpendicular length here? 2a sin theta, right? So write it down, EQ into 2a sin theta. E 2aq. 2aq is the formula for what? Or q into 2a, you can write q into 2a sin theta. E q into 2a is p, ep sin theta. This is torque, right? Torque ep sin theta. Here one of the very important questions. Torque acting on a dipole is EP sin theta. Come on, note down. Next, a small one. When the torque is maximum, when the torque is minimum, right? We will see. I hope all of you took the screenshot. When the torque is maximum, when the torque is minimum. See there, if theta is equal to 0, what is theta? Angle between dipole moment or length of the dipole and field direction is theta. If theta is equal to 0, what is the meaning? If field is in this direction our dipole is also in this direction. Both are in the same direction, means now the dipole is like this. If you place the dipole like this along the field direction, theta is 0. Whenever dipole is along the field direction, two cases, theta is equal to 0 or theta is equal to 180. Even field in this direction, you hang the dipole like this. See, field in this direction. In first case, dipole, it is hanged like this, in this direction. 0. This is in this direction. Field, dipole opposite direction. Reverse. 180. In this case, what is torque? What is torque? Torque is EP sine 0 or EP sine 180. Sine 0 or sine 180? 0. Torque is minimum. So whenever you get the question, when torque is minimum, dipole is along field direction or dipole is along either parallel or anti-parallel, either parallel or anti-parallel. 0. When it is maximum, when theta is equal to 90, means field in this direction, dipole in this direction. How these are? Means this is handled like this. If this dipole is handled like this in the field, 90. In this case, what is torque? What is torque? Torque is EP sine 90. EP sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. EP maximum. Right? Maximum. Right? Whenever you get, when torque is maximum, dipole is hanged perpendicular to field direction. Dipole is perpendicular to field direction like this. Torque is maximum. This is maximum torque. When minimum, dipole is along field direction, minimum. Clear? One of the very important question. Even Sunday's exam, you have problems on this, right? So in our track, first track, syllabus is from force acting on the charged particle, intensity due to charged bodies, complete dipole, whatever we discussed till now, right? Okay. Good day. Instructions.